Welcome to the continuation of quotient rule. We have these questions, differentiate respect to x, and we have the function. We have x over x plus 1 times x plus 2, and then times x plus 3. So what we're going to do, the formula for quotient rule, when you have a fraction, then we use a quotient rule. The formula for quotient rule is equal to v times the u dx, okay, minus u times the v dx over v squared. So that's the formula for quotient rule. To make the work easy for us, we're going to expand the denominator to make the work easy and faster. Okay, let's expand the denominator, and then plus 1 times x plus 2. I'm using the first item to multiply the second one. So if you do the expansion, this will give you x squared plus 2x, and then plus x, and then plus 2. So that will give you x squared plus 3x plus 2. Simplification of the denominator has not ended, so we need to continue again. The next one to do now is to now this x plus 3 times the what we have gotten, x squared plus 3x plus 2. So if you do that, we're going to have this one times this one, that's s cubed. This one again times this one, that's a plus 3x squared, and then x times 2, that's a plus 2x. Okay, then go to 3 now, plus 3 times x squared, that's a 3x squared, 3 times 3x plus 9x, and finally 3 times 2, that's a plus 6, x cubed plus 11x, that's a 2x plus 9x, and then plus 6. So that's the expansion for this expression. So what we're going to do now is to now go to use the formula. So this one is now our v now. This is our v. We can get the v dx, and that will be equal to 3x squared plus 12x plus 11. Another one again, u is x, and we can also get the u dx. The u dx is what? Is 1. So that's that. Let's begin to do the substitution. If you do our substitution, we're going to have my v is s cubed plus 6x squared plus 11x, and then plus 6, okay, times the u dx is 1 minus u is x, okay, times the v dx. The v dx is 3x squared of x, and then plus 11 v squared. Your v squared will be x plus 1 squared, x plus 2 squared, and then x plus 3 squared. Okay, so that's what we have. So the next thing to do now is for us to do the expansion. Okay, open the brackets. So we're going to have this one, s cubed plus 6x squared plus 11x plus 6, and then minus x times 3x squared, that's a minus 3x cubed minus 12x squared, and then minus 11x over the denominator. So that's what we have. Let's see what we can do here. S cubed is here. This one and this one can be added together. That's 1 minus 3, minus 2x cubed. Then 6x squared minus 12x squared, that's a minus 6x squared, plus 11x minus 11x, we cancel out. So we have plus 6. We have plus 6 over the denominator. That's that on this quotient rule. If you are watching me for the first time, please begin to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, thank you. See you next